Hello. So, today I did work, did stuff in college, and a whole load of new stuff has shot up and decided it needs to be done. And even though the deadline for it is past the deadline for the film, an entire film, it's been decided no, it needs to be done right now. So, sorry, I'm kind of venting. Yeah. This is kind of late as well. It's about 25 to 12, so I'm pushing it. But I'm just watching a movie. I'm watching this. It is Salasam Oboshko. Salasam Oboshko. And I apologise to any Polish viewers. Do I have Polish viewers? That'd be weird. Well, it would have been. Well, it wouldn't be weird, but I just don't know if I have Polish viewers. So if there's any Poles out there, just let me know. Salasamaboshko. I actually said it right there. Salasamaboshko. That sounds right. It's also called. It's Suicide Room. I heard a lot about this movie, so I just decided to. I just bought it and just decided I'm going to check it out. I don't really have anything to talk about today. Nothing to talk about. And let's check the news. I'll bring up the entertainment news. Dark Knight Rises promo images surface. What the hell? Is that for the game? That can't be. Have a look at these. I'll just get it to focus. That doesn't really look real, so it doesn't. Oh well. I'm actually going to be seeing the new Dark Knight Rises trailer tomorrow, apparently. Because tomorrow I'm going to see the Avengers. Few people are going out to see the Avengers immediately after college. And then we're going to the Ghost Toe, which is a bar in town, to celebrate Kat's birthday. You don't know Kat. You don't know Kat. That's friend. It's her birthday. So that's all you need to know. Well, it was her birthday on Tuesday, but we're going out tonight. I talk a lot of bullshit, don't I? Keep watching. So yeah, just watching this. Yes. What I was trying to say was I'm not going to be home at any point tomorrow once I leave until I suppose it could be about 2 in the morning I get home. Yeah, so it's going to be a long day. I'm guessing I'll maybe have a chance to throw my bag in because I have to take a bag to college because I have to take my laptop in tomorrow. Fucker. All smiles. All smiles. I'm on a roller coaster that only goes up, my friend. I'm grand. Okay. What is the strangest... Common question of the day. What is the strangest noise you can make with your mouth? Describe it, and then spell it. For me... that is the worst one yet. I can do... I can do that, and then I can do kind of the Donald Duck voice. I need a word to say. It's a word I could say. That's yeah. I don't have to spell it either as well. So yeah. Describe. What is the weirdest noise you can make with your mouth? Describe it and then spell it. Just a general noise that you would make. Spell it. Like, that will be spelled F. Maybe some W's thrown in there. Yes, I'm rambling. So, tomorrow, going to see the Avengers. I will try and get this up during lunch. It's a kind of we'll have to see situation. I might end up making it in class. That'd be fun. But I'll see you tomorrow. Serious face. I'm trying to push the button to end the recording, but I seem to be missing it.